Chief and Chiefess!
Come, grind to my full, thick beard.
Oh, it's so beautiful!
Gross. Okay, you win. I like sensitive guys.
There were dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown, scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that. Hey there, bud. Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Probably could use some oil and a little fine tuning.
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out, like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons, letting us know they're still here, waiting for us to figure out how to get along. Yes, the world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Burkians, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace.